before fragmentation student, there is one also example given about plasmodium. In plasmodium, this division takes by the multiple fission. Okay, in case of amoeba and leishmania there is a binary fission. In case of plasmodium there is a multiple fission. Multiple fission means binary means 2, bi means 2, means that one mother cell divides into two daughter cells. Okay, but in case of multiple fission, in case of plasmodium, one mother cell divides into so many number of cells, so that's why it is said to be multiple fission. Now next is fragmentation. Fragmentation again means to break down into fragments, to break down into parts. Okay, and mostly it takes place in case of Spirogyra. Spirogyra, it is a type of algae. Okay, and in that case what happens, it simply breaks down into small pieces and each small piece gives rise to a mature Spirogyra. लाइक शुगर केन का आप एक ਉਹਦਾ पार्ट ब्रेक डाउन कर दिंदे हैं, ठीक है। तो एक पार्ट ਨੂੰ ਵੀ अगर आप अर्थ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ सॉइल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ लगा दिए एंड फाइनली इट विल ग्रो इनटू अ फुल पीस, फुल प्लांट। सेम वे इन केस ऑफ Spirogyra देयर इज अ on breakdown into small pieces it will grow into a complete Spirogyra, complete algae again. Then students, there is one case given about the multicellular organism. What happens in case of organism? In case of multicellular organism, fragmentation does not take place. Why not takes place? Because there is a, in case of multicellular organism, so many number of cells are present. Okay, random collection of cells is present. Random means some cells are present in digestive system, some are present in excretory system, some cells are present in circulatory system. Means that in case of multicellular organism, so many number of cells are present. Okay, so that's why to division in the cells at one time in all the cells, that is not possible. कोई सेल कितने प्रेजेंट है, कोई सेल कितने प्रेजेंट है. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन, these cells create tissue, then tissue from the tissue organ system, and then at the last organism. All of we know very well from this hierarchy. So that's why it is not possible in case of multicellular organism to divide one by one cell. Okay, so there are another methods we will discuss later on, and especially in case of multicellular organism reproduction is possible. Sexual reproduction, that we will discuss later on in case of plants also, in case of animals also. Okay, so after reproduction the cells of the multicellular organism grows, proliferate means divides. Okay, grows in size, then divides and makes another types of cells according to the needs. So students, it was all about the binary fission and fragmentation. Later on further types we will discuss in the next class. So up to this type, yes, regeneration we can also include into it. Regeneration means to regenerate, reproduce. Like you has observed there is a lizard, ਉਹਦੀ अगर टेल कट जाए वो दोबारा की रीग्रो कर ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ। हाइड्रा है, हाइड्रा ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਵੀ ਆर्म कट कर दो, it will regrow again. In case of human and animal, जो साडा organ है liver, इट ऑल्सो रीजनरेट, तुसी लिवर ਨੂੰ हाफ कट कर दो, हाफ लिवर तो ही फर्दर फुल लिवर की है रीजनरेट हो जाएगा। रीजनरेशन मीनस कि कोई पार्ट इंजरी के नाल कोई एक्सीडेंटल रीजन के करके कट हो गया, इट विल ग्रो फुल ऑन लेटर ऑन, दैट इज़ अ रीजनरेशन. इन केस ऑफ प्लानेरिया इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ invertebrate. Okay, in case of planaria there is also regeneration process takes place. Let me show you one diagram.